Welcome to Oviedo, the vibrant capital of the Asturias region in northern Spain, known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and delicious cuisine. Oviedo offers a unique blend of cultural experiences. Join us as we take a virtual tour of this enchanting city. Our first stop is the magnificent Oviedo Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece that has evolved over centuries. Construction began in the 13th century on the site of a pre-Romanesque church. Inside, you'll find stunning stained glass windows, intricate sculptures, and a rich tapestry of architectural styles. The cathedral stands as a symbol of Oviedo's enduring religious and cultural significance, reflecting its role as a key center of Christianity throughout the Middle Ages. Within Oviedo Cathedral lies the Cámara Santa, a pre-Romanesque chapel and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This chamber is of immense historical and religious significance, as it houses several important relics. The most notable is the Sudarium of Oviedo, believed to be the cloth that covered Jesus Christ's face after his death. The Cámara Santa stands as a testament to Oviedo's role as a center of Christian faith during the Middle Ages. Next, we visit the Archaeological Museum of Asturias, located in the former San Vicente Monastery. This museum offers a fascinating journey through the region's history, from the Paleolithic era to the Middle Ages. You'll find artifacts from Roman settlements, pre-Romanesque art, and insights into the lives of Asturias' early inhabitants. It's a must-see for history enthusiasts. Now, let's explore the Church of San Julián de los Prados, also known as Santuyano. This is one of the best preserved examples of pre-Romanesque Asturian art. Dating back to the early 9th century, the church features unique frescoes that blend Roman and Byzantine influences. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a glimpse into the region's rich artistic heritage. Next, we head to the vibrant Plaza del Fontán, a historic square in the heart of Oviedo. This lively area is known for its bustling market, where locals and tourists gather to buy fresh produce, flowers, and local products. The square is surrounded by colorful buildings and traditional cider houses, making it a perfect spot to soak in the city's atmosphere. Let's take a break in the Campo de San Francisco Park, a green oasis in the heart of Oviedo. This beautiful park offers a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. With its tree-lined paths, fountains, and sculptures, it's a perfect place to relax, take a stroll, or enjoy a picnic. Keep an eye out for the park's resident peacocks. Our next stop is the Teatro Campoamor, a cultural landmark in Oviedo. This historic theater is home to the annual Princess of Asturias Awards, one of Spain's most prestigious awards. The theater hosts a variety of performances, from opera and ballet to concerts and plays. Even if you don't catch a show, the architecture alone is worth a visit. For a panoramic view of Oviedo, let's head to Monte Naranco. This mountain overlooks the city, offering stunning vistas of the surrounding landscape. At the summit, you'll find the iconic statue of Christ the Redeemer, as well as the pre-Romanesque churches of Santa Maria del Naranco and San Miguel de Leo, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Located on Monte Naranco, Santa Maria del Naranco is a prime example of Asturian pre-Romanesque architecture. Originally built as a palace for King Ramiro I in the 9th century, it was later converted into a church. Its unique design and stunning location make it a must-see. The structure is known for its elegant proportions and innovative architectural features for its time. Nearby Santa Maria del Naranco, you'll find the Church of San Miguel de Leo, another remarkable example of pre-Romanesque architecture. Built around the same time, this chapel features intricate carvings and stunning views of the surrounding countryside. It's a testament to the rich artistic and religious heritage of the Asturias region. Next, we head to the Estadio Carlos Tartiere, the home of Real Oviedo, a team with a passionate following in the city. This modern stadium is more than just a sports venue. It's a symbol of community pride and local spirit. On game days, the stadium comes alive with the cheers and songs of dedicated fans. Whether you're a football enthusiast or not, the energy here is palpable. Our journey continues to the Palacio de Exposiciones y Congresos Ciudad de Oviedo, a striking building designed by the renowned architect Santiago Calatrava. This modern architectural marvel is a feast for the eyes, with its soaring lines, innovative use of materials, and futuristic design. It serves as a center for exhibitions, conferences, and cultural events, showcasing Oviedo's commitment to innovation and contemporary design. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Oviedo. From its historic cathedrals and pre-Romanesque churches, to the passion of Real Oviedo and the architectural marvels of Calatrava, Oviedo offers something for every traveler. Come and discover the charms of this hidden gem in northern Spain. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures.